Here in Hamilton, the Easter Bunny called in a high-flying favor this afternoon with a helicopter flying over the soccer field during the 5th annual Easter egg hunt put on by Cultivate Church.
The helicopter going back and forth across the field, that was just mind-blowing.
We have volunteers from the church who stuff 15,000 eggs. We stuff them with candy and little toys and things, and we tape them all shut. And then the helicopter comes and drops them all.
Yeah, you see kids just like looking and pointing. That was a really cool thing.
When the kids came today, they were given a paper and they could go to different locations and they'll leave with the Easter story then. It's a blast to see all the people.
Let's go, I got some candy.
But we really want to be out in the community and be a blessing beyond just our programming in the building itself. So, yeah.
In Hamilton, Sam Landstrom, Fox 17 News.